Hey everyone, and welcome to Scrapbook.com. I'm excited to show you Scrapbook.com's new Premium Embossing Ink. This will allow you to create unique, one-of-a-kind heat embossed projects. Right now, I'm going to show you how great this embossing ink will look on cardstock. I'm going to ink up my stamp. This stamp came from our exclusive Scrapbook.com XOXO set. It's darling. So I'm just pressing my stamp into this clear premium embossing ink, and then I'm going to just stamp it right in the center of my cardstock here with firm pressure and pull it up. You can see the kind of watermark there that it left, and then I'm going to use some embossing powder. We're going to do some pretty red powder, and you just sprinkle it all over your design that's been embossed, and then just tap it off lightly. I'm going to grab my heat gun and let it just heat up for a few seconds before I actually put it on my design so that it gets hot. And then this is the fun part. This is where the magic happens. It's so fun to see the heat embossing start to bloom right before your eyes. Look how gorgeous that is. Beautiful. Then you have a gorgeous heat embossed texture for your cardstock. You can put this on top of your cards, in your scrapbook pages, use it for all kinds of different crafts. Now let's try embossing on some vellum. Vellum is a little bit sheen and sheer, and so we're going to take our stamp. Again, this is the I Love You from the XOXO exclusive Scrapbook.com stamp set. It's a big, bold font that says I love you, and I am just pressing down in my clear premium embossing ink and getting the whole thing covered. And then I'm going to just stamp it right in the center here of my vellum. Just like that, firm pressure. And then take that off. You can see it there, a little bit of sheen. So now I'm going to add my gold embossing powder. Just sprinkle it right over the whole design so that it gets fully covered. Pick it up, tap it off. You just need to lightly tap it to get all of that embossing powder off. And let's see how beautiful this looks on vellum. So we're going to turn on our heat embossing gun, let it heat up for a second. And here we go. Let's watch the magic. Oh, look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Make sure not to burn your fingers. Oh my goodness. That is super exciting. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that gold sheen, that texture, the shine on your vellum, and then you can just add this, back this to some beautiful cardstock paper and put it right on your card as a beautiful sentiment. Or you can use it in your planner, your scrapbook pages, anything that you're crafting. This would be a gorgeous addition to add some texture and some beautiful gold foil. Look how amazing these all turned out. These are lots of fun, different ideas that you can add to your projects. And that's our premium embossing ink, and you can get that on our site at Scrapbook.com. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.